What's up, everybody? My name's Ralph Johnson, and welcome to another episode of Ralph Johnson Photography. Today we're going to talk about Think Tank. Right, I said today we're going to talk about Think Tank. This is the Retrospective 30 version 2.0. So, anyways, Think Tank came out with a new version of the Retrospective series, which is one of my favorite series and stuff like that. So I asked them to send this to me. They did. Thank you, Think Tank, for sending this bag to me. I have the Retrospective 30, 50, and 10. I really like the bags very much. From the old ones and stuff like that, well, it fits a 15.4 inch laptop now instead of a 15.6, so it's a little bit smaller, but not by much. My laptop will fit in here. I haven't actually put it in here, but I know it will because it's just a flat out 15 inch laptop. Okay, so let's start with the back of this bag. You have the beautiful Think Tank logo, and then also this pocket right here that goes all the way through. And this is so you can slide it on to carry on luggage and stuff like that, and you don't have to lug it around with you. You can just set it on top and be good. We got the name of the bag here, also fantastic. It's like this canvas material, which doesn't make it look like a camera bag, which I really like that part about it. It looks just like a regular messenger bag, and you know, them type of bags. We have a really large pocket back here. This is pretty much designed to put like papers and materials and stuff like that in there. On this side right here, you notice that we have this little I'm trying to think of what you would call this, but it's like a little handhold if you want to hold it like this or something like that. It's really good for that. And on this side, we have an expandable pocket to actually unclip it like that, and you can expand it how far you want. I mean, it goes way out there if you need to put like a water bottle or Gatorade or something like that in there. So we got that one. It's got a little Velcro at the bottom too, so it stays there. And now we've also go to the front. The new version has these two rings down here, which you can, I guess, put stuff on, you know, clip stuff onto them like your keys or something if you wanted to, but I wouldn't do that. Now, there's a lot of stuff underneath this flap which is new, which we're going to talk about right now. So we're going to go ahead and flip this. Naturally, it's got the Velcro right here and stuff like that. It's got this new pouch that's actually right here that the other one didn't have. It don't go all the way down. It only goes to like right about halfway to the bag. But that's a great spot to store like your keys and stuff, in my opinion. And then on top of this bag, on the flat part, we have the Velcro and everything, and these silencers that go inside instead of actually just flap over and hold it. And what these are is designed to, you know, like I said, just go over the top of it, hold it like this, and then, you know, it don't hit this Velcro down here, so it's quiet. You don't have a lot of noise making, and that's really handy for wedding photographers and stuff like that, and a reception or something where you need to be quiet. Okay, now the next part about this is this top piece right here. This actually zippers up right here, and there's a zipper to where you can actually close this all the way up if you needed to, which if I get all the stuff out of it, it'll be a lot easier to zipper up, I think. So, there you go, see, and it just zippers right up like that, and actually you have, you know, right there to where it's sealed. You don't have nothing that can get in there as far as, you know, air can get in there, I guess, but it's sealed to where no one can just grab in and go, which I think is a really good feature. So I'm going to undo that real quick. And it doesn't take long to do. I mean, it doesn't take really that long at all to get it done at all. Like I said, this also has a little Velcro piece here, so if you don't want it zipped up, you can just have it flapped up like that. And then you have the inside of the bag right there, which I'll show you in a minute, but we're going to get to these front pockets first. You also got this beautiful, comfortable strap, which I really like. Then the next thing, you got two really deep front pockets that expand out more than I think the other one did. Other one has before, so them are really nice. And then you have this one also, which has the rain poncho in it for the bag. All of Think Tank's bags come with rain ponchos, which is always so very handy, and I thank Think Tank for thinking of that. But then you also have this other zippered pocket right here where you can put more stuff back here. Now, this has other dividers and stuff in it to where you can put pens and stuff like that, maybe a quick notebook or something in there, so you have that option there also. Now let's go ahead and go into the front of, into the actual inside of the bag. You have this strap here, which you got catalogs, and you got, this is where your laptop goes right back here. So like I said, it fits a 15.4 inch laptop. And then you have this front pocket up here also, which is quite deep and everything, so you can really store a lot of stuff in this bag. And if you needed to latch that, you have a latching system right here just like that, or you can just leave it open and flappy if you want to. I personally like it closed up a little bit so it stays together more. You can take this off, this thing here. I just haven't done it yet, but I'm going to go ahead and just kind of maneuver it out of my way a second. So it's out of the way now, and as you can see, this bag is huge inside and stuff like that. And I mean, you get extra dividers if you need them. It's right now divided into 4 sections. Now the old bags had a little pocket on the side, and these don't have that, but that's okay because it gives you more room to put stuff in here. So I really like the fact that it has them, and naturally all the dividers, you can divide it however you want. This bag is a very good bag. Like I said, I have the first version of them and everything, and that's why I was excited when the second versions were coming out. And I'm really happy that I've got this bag and stuff like that from Think Tank. If you guys have any questions or comments or anything about it, go ahead and leave it in the description below. And until next time, peace out. Bye.